The Participant's Choice Award goes to Mr. Scott Shyatt and the U.S. Army Dragster.
Yeah, stay around. We're going to get pictures.
William.
Oh, hold on.
Williamson, come here. Look pretty. Smile a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
All right, second place in our man, Russ Bailey. Good job, Russ. Thank you for coming. Stay right
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Going out of order. I'm sorry.
Good job tonight.
All right, ATV bracket class.
Talk me into it.
Shocker sucks. That's
Shocker loves men.
Matt. Is that how you say that?
Matt Ewing.
In the bed, I don't even know how to
Oh,
say
that's
your last
okay.
name.
That's okay.
Everyone's just $2 stuff.
Shocker. All right, 350 class tonight. It was very, very good. Thanks for everybody. 16 cars. I believe it's our best 350 class we've had this year, so very good tonight. All right, our runners up. You don't get anything but a handshake, but at least you get one of those. Ben Steele Sr. Come on! What are you doing? Did you bring Matt with you or not?
No, I figured he'd be up here. Hey, good show, Dad.
Congratulations, man. Good job, Ben. And our other runner-up was Matt Wilson, but apparently he didn't feel the need to come up here, so.
Two parts cards.
All right, and 350 index tonight. Second place goes to Mr. Dan Weiss. Good job.
See you smile.
Take your DVD.
1, 2, 3, fellas.
Hey. What are you talking
All right, and your 350 class winner, the 350 killer, Kathy Ellington. I gotta do this now. Good job, kid. You want that?
I'll get in on this one.
Yeah.
A little closer.
Count 3, 1, 2, 3. Lynn's up here, fellas.
Shocker loves big men.
Ladies, 1, 2, 3. Big smiles.
Competition eliminator. The first place goes to, let me find it here, William Sutton. Way to go, William. There's our delay here. Okay. Second place in comp goes to Eric Galley. Eric Galley.
Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Picture. Yep, picture.
1, 2, 3.
Ed Budge got third place. Way to go. Lee Riders from Michigan took fourth place in our comp class. Way to go, Lee. Let's take a picture, please.
Count 3, 1, 2, 3.
Pro Index. We got first place goes to Steve Barton. Oh, Jason Law, not sorry. Jason Law is working down the car.
1, 2, 3.
Unlimited. First place goes to Shocker Sucks.
Father or son? Father or son?
Good job. Good job.
We go ahead.
Oh, hold on.
Oh. The only time she ever gets to take a picture with you, Brian.
Okay, Super Pro. Someone else already took their first place money. Second place goes to Brian Snickers. That was funny. Second place outlaw goes to Brad Adams.
Oh, he's gone.
Is he gone?
I'll take it.
Take his money? Okay.
Oh, yes, I
No! Justin Cruz, first place vehicle. Oh, okay, Doug Ruther, sixth place vehicle.
All right. Okay, this is your Pro Truck National Series crew, guys. Woo! All right, second place tonight in Pro Outlaw. That's just money, right? Brian McQuethy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Stand here, yep. Mr. Undefeated in Pro Outlaw,
With his picture on the check
Yeah.
this time.
Foreshadowing on the check, Brian Ames. Thanks for coming. All right, Pro Truck. Third place this weekend, Lee Reinders. Good job, Lee. Ready, buddy? You're looking good, it's okay. All right, Pro Truck this weekend, second place goes to Dave Kramer. Good job, dude. Great job.
Thank you, guys.
There you go. Oh, right here. You don't get to leave.
We'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, we'll be back in a minute, so don't go too far away.
Be back, ain't you?
First place this weekend, Kip Martin. Way to go, buddy.
Thank you.
Get that. Hey, #1 qualifier, no less, too, on that. It's a good job.
Hide the belly.
That's right. All right, and a little unfinished business from last night. This is a season-long Pro Truck Series, the 350 Index class, which finally had a 16-car field last night after 4 events, but it did really well. It was a great class. I think we were all really happy with it, but your season points champ pulling it out at the end, Mr. Daniel Weiss.
And Daddy Week.
That's right. Don't forget that, man. You want. Alright, and even though his year came to an end tonight, we'll give him one last glamour walk. Your 2009 Pro Truck Series champ, Ben Dozman, for the last time. You gotta get the wave.
Bring the Wally up, buddy. All right, the Wally.
Good job, buddy. You represented the sport good, and you were a good guy. Well, you are a good guy. You know what I mean.
Not dead.
So, obviously, that means we have a new 2010 champ. And getting it done all weekend, that would be Dave Kramer.
Dave, you want Bonnie to help you?
Yeah,
here?
I need some help.
Come on, Bonnie.
I need some help. I need you to hold my man.
In here, shooter. Dave needs somebody to hold his man if anybody wants to help.
Shocker, where are you now?
Come on, son-in-law, time to pay back.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we're going to go fight it, but it took too long.
Other way.